I'm Travis Newberger, this is Kathy Mangum, and we represent the Meshr team. In the United States alone, 4 million laparotomies are performed each year. A laparotomy is a surgical procedure which requires a large incision in the abdomen. From these laparotomies, about 50% of patients will need to return to the hospital due to herniation through the laparotomy incision. This will cost upwards of $3.2 billion annually. Currently, the laparotomy is closed with suture, and both the physician and the patient assume the risk of herniation. Recently, studies have shown that using a surgical mesh implanted before the laparotomy is closed will decrease the chance of herniation by 60%. In 2016, a new CPT code was approved for ventral hernias for prevention with surgical mesh. The two kinds of surgical meshes on the market right now include polypropylene mesh, which is implanted under the skin and can cause pain and irritation to the patient, as well as potentially causing infection to the patient as well. Also, biological meshes are used, but they come with a heavy price tag, ranging in upwards of $59,000.
Our solution is Meshr. Meshr is a brand new hydrogel surgical mesh which overcomes the rigidity, pain, and permanent implantation of the polypropylene mesh, and also overcomes the huge price point of the biological mesh. In 2016, a new hydrogel was developed which has high mechanical strength and is also biocompatible and biodegradable. Hydrogels have never previously been used for this type of application because they have previously lacked the mechanical strength necessary to prevent herniation. Using this new technology, we have synthesized this hydrogel and fashioned it into a biodegradable mesh which can be used for incisional hernia prevention. We are also collaborating with research to test an antibiotic-releasing version of Meshr. The total cost of materials for our prototype is less than $25 per mesh to produce. CMS is currently reimbursing at a much higher rate than this, making Meshr a viable competitor in this market. We aim to increase our market share over the lifetime of the company. There are 5 reasons that we believe that Meshr is a great solution. 1, people typically can't fill an implanted hydrogel, which will eliminate the pain from polypropylene. 2, the Meshr hydrogel has mechanical properties similar to a tendon, which has never been achieved by a hydrogel before. 3, it's inexpensive. 4, it doesn't have any toxic or acidic breakdown products in the body. And 5, it offers an ideal solution for every patient undergoing laparotomy, not just those at high risk.